Hello everyone, welcome back with the second regular Sudoku in today's newspaper on Wednesday, July the 8th, 2020. Yeah, this is a medium Sudoku, but before I start, I'm curious how many printed numbers or digits are in this puzzle. So let me count first. We have here 3, 6, plus 2 is 8, plus 2 is 10, 12, plus 5 is 17, plus 3 is 20, 23, 26 printed numbers. So if you compare with the regular, oh no, not the regular, with the additional Sudokus with 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 stars, the 1 star Sudoku in the additional has 27 printed numbers. The 2 stars, 26. So you can compare it with a 2-star Sudoku, but it's not only the printed numbers but also how many pairs. If you have a lot of pairs in a Sudoku, it will be very tough one. So it's not only the printed numbers. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see. Which number can I use? We have a 5 in this column, a 5 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 5 in this first row, 5 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place for the 5 should be there. 5 in the third column, 5 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in the last row, 5 in that row. So in the row between, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5, so no 5 there. 5 should be here. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only 3 places for the 5 should be here, here, or there. We see here 5, no 5 there. Here 5, no 5 there. The only place for the 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used, I can see. Yes. Alright. Alright. And now, which number? Which number can I use? How about the number? Yeah. Let's say number 2. We see here 2 in this column, a 2 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. And now I cannot continue with the 2, I believe. Yes, I can. In this big square, one of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. There are 2, so no 2 in those 2 boxes. So the 2 could be here or could be there. So in the third column, we have a 2 in one of these two boxes. In the second column, we have a 2 over there. In the first column, the only two places for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be there. And now I cannot continue with the 2. I need to wait for more information. Let me see. How about the 8? 8 in this column, 8 in the last column. So the column between, the only place for the 8 should be there. I cannot continue with the 8. How about the 2 again? Because in this big square, 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2. So no 2 in these two boxes. One box left for the 2 should be there. 2 in the last row. 2 in the row above. So in that row, the only two places for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2. No 2 there. 2 should be here. 2 in this row. 2 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only place for the 2 should be these two places. But we have a 2 over there. So no 2 here. 2 should be here. And all the 2's are used. I can see. Yes. Alright. We have here a 9 in this column, a 9 in the middle column. So the column next, the only two places for the 9 should be here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only place for the 4 should be there. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 1 and 3. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there, and the 1 goes here. 1 in this column, 1 in that column. So in the middle column, the only two places for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here. Then 7, 8, and 6. 6. All right. Let me see. And now, 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only two places for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. And then 7, 8. I do not have an 8. I need an 8. 8, 8, 8, 8. All right. Let me think. 1, okay. Okay. 2, 5. Am I stuck? I do not know. I do not know. Three, three. Three. And how about these? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 6, 7, and 8. Here, 7 and 8. Here goes the 6. 6, 6. Alright. I think I need to mark some boxes because now 1, 1, 1, 1. It's getting tough now. 4, 7, 8. 4, 7, 8. 4, 7, 8. Okay. Well, in this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 1. We see here 1. So no 1 in these 2 boxes. There 1, no 1 in those 3 boxes. So the 1 could be here or could be there. So we have a 1 in this row, 1 in the third row. So in the second row, the only 2 places for the 1, here or there. Yeah. That means in this column, I cannot place a 1 here because we have a 1 in this, one of those 2 boxes. We have a 1 here, so this cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here or could be there. And now I see here 1, so no 1 there. The only place for the 1 should be here. 1, 2, the 3 is missing, the 7 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3. I see here 3, no 3 there. Here 3, no 3 there. The only place for the 3 should be there. 7 and the 4 are missing now. 7 and the 4, same like here. 7 and the 4 need to wait for more information, but we have a 3 here. These 2 boxes are the 1 and the 3. I marked them for you, 1 and the 3. That means we have a 1 in this column, so this cannot be a 1 anymore. I have marked those 2 boxes with a 1, so the only place for the 1 should be there. We have a 3 in the last column, one of those 2 boxes. We have a 3 in that column. So in the column between, the only place for the 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place for the 3 should be there. 3 in the first column, 3 in the third column. So in the column between, the only place for the 3 should be there. In the second column, 3 missing numbers. What are those numbers? The numbers are the 6, the 9, and the 7. We have a 6 here in this big square, so no 6 in this box. So the 6 could be here or could be there. We see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. The 7 and the 9 are missing, 7 and the 9. I cannot fill this yet, need to wait. How about these 2 numbers in the second row, the 7 and the 4. 7 and the 4, no. 7 and 4, no. Need to wait. I need more 4s, otherwise I cannot continue. How about the number? I have placed here 1 and 3, and I look, we have a 3 here. So this cannot be a 3 anymore. This should be a 1. And this should be a 3. And all the 3's are used, I can see. Yes. Alright. 7 in this row, 7 in that row. So in the middle row, the only place for the 7 should be there. 2 boxes left in this row, middle row. The 1 and the 6 are missing. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 1 goes there. Now I have a 1 here, so this cannot be a 1. I've marked these 2 boxes with a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 9. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 6 and 8. We have a 6 here, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 8 goes there. Then which number can I use? Let me see. These 2 numbers in this column. 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 8 and 4. 8 and 4. We see here an 8. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 1 number left in this row for the number 7. 7 in this column, 7 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 7 should be here. 1 number left in this column for the number 4. Yeah. 2 numbers left in this big square for the number 6 and 9. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Then 1 number left in this row for the number 4. Then 3 numbers left in this big square. The numbers are 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. The 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. I see here 4, so no 4 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. The 6 and the 7 are missing. Same like the last row, 6 and the 7. But we have a 7 here, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 6. 1 number left in this big square for the number 4. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 8 and 7. We have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 number left in this first row for the number 9, I believe. Yes, 9 is missing. 9 in the first column, 9 in the third column. So in the column between the second column, the only place for the 9 should be there. 1 number left in the second column should be the number 7. 7 is missing. Yes, 7 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for the number 7 and 8. We have a 7 here, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 8 goes there. The last 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 8 and 4. We have an 8 here, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Finished in 19 minutes. Alright, great Sudoku, great Sudoku. I like this. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. I will see you later with the third regular Sudoku, a Sudoku mix, aka Killer Sudoku. See you later. Bye bye for now.